Hello, crypto fans. It's me again, Crypto Summary Doge. I'm coming now with some important knowledge. What if you could recognize when the dip is coming in the crypto market? And you know why this is important? Because then you can buy crypto for a discounted price and make bigger profits, which means more dog food for me. So, let's get started. Now we're living at the moment where Bitcoin crashed quite hard, because it lost more than 50% from its highest price ever reached before, from $68,000 to around $26,000. But, such crashes have happened before, and I want to warn you that this is not the end of this period. At least for now. So, I was wondering if there is a pattern, because the crypto price falling down scenario performs again from time to time. I decided to do research for myself. As I was looking at the charts, I noticed that something was going on. Actually, such tremendous Bitcoin price drops happened only twice in the past 7 or 8 years. First drop happened in 2015, the second drop, in 2018. And both of these times when the lowest point of Bitcoin crashing down was reached, it was predicted 3 to 4 weeks before the crash actually happened. You could say that it sounds like magic, but it is pretty easy to recognize or predict once you know the fundamentals. The best indicator to understand when the drop is coming is to look for the death cross indicator. What is that, you ask? Death cross indicator sounds like a bad sign, and that's what it is, because it is a market chart pattern reflecting recent price weakness. It refers to the drop of a short-term moving average, meaning the average of recent closing prices for a cryptocurrency over a set period of time, below a longer-term moving average. And, usually the death cross happens once in 4 to 5 years. I understand that this sounds a little bit complicated, so basically, when you look at price swings, look out where two lines of averages cross each other. First death cross happened in 2014 December 12th, and around 1 month later, on 14th of January 2015, when Bitcoin hit its lowest point on that day. So, the Bitcoin price before the death cross was more than $400, and 4 weeks later after the death cross, Bitcoin's price reached around $178, meaning its worth got 2 times lower. Same pattern repeated around 9th of November 2018, because around that day a death cross happened. The lowest point that Bitcoin reached was around 3-4 weeks later, somewhere around the 18th of December. Bitcoin dropped around 50% down, from $6,500 to $3,200. It is basically the same scenario as it was before at the end of 2014. So, what do we have now? To my modest opinion, we have the same pattern going on. So, as you can see, we have a death cross that happened around January 2022 and Bitcoin has now dropped more than 50% as I've mentioned before. According to the pattern, the bear market should end around the middle of June 2022. But before that, it is possible that Bitcoin might fall even more, reaching $20,000. And of course, it is hard to predict the future, but history tends to repeat itself. Especially, when we have all the data we can use. Well, time will show. It is also important to mention, that after these deepest lows, a new bull trend tends to start, leading to Bitcoin price skyrocketing just in a few months' time from its crash. So it is possible that now, from 3 to 9 months after Bitcoin is hitting its lowest point of the dip, it might begin accumulating a new major bull run and will reach its highest point than ever before. Listening to some experts predicting it will be around $100,000. What does that mean for all of us? That while there is a dip, and you can predict where the lowest point can be reached, you can buy crypto for a very little price and wait while it gets higher, then sell it and make quite a nice profit. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so you should really evaluate your options for investing. And always keep in mind that it is super risky to invest all your money. So, act smart. Okay, that was it from me today. Hi Pa, and see you soon in the next Trips and Tricks series. Bye.